Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire. This classic card game is designed for one player, offering a fun challenge. Your main goal is to move all 52 cards from the tableau and stock piles to 4 foundation piles. You'll sort these cards by suit and rank, starting with the ace and building up to the king. It's a straightforward concept, but mastering it takes a bit of practice and strategy. Setting up Solitaire is quite simple. First, you'll deal 7 tableau piles across your playing area. The first pile gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to 7 cards for the last pile. Only the top card of each of these 7 piles is turned face up. The remaining 24 cards form your stock pile, placed face down. Finally, you'll have 4 empty spaces ready for your foundation piles. Now let's play. You can move cards between tableau piles, always placing a lower-ranked card of an opposite color on a higher-ranked one. For example, a red 5 on a black 6. If you clear a tableau column, only a king can fill that empty space. You'll also draw cards from your stock pile, typically 3 at a time, looking for playable cards. Remember to move any aces you find to the foundation piles to start building them up. You win Solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their respective foundation piles, sorted from ace to king. To improve your chances, always try to reveal hidden cards in the tableau first, as this opens up more moves. Empty tableau columns are incredibly useful. Save them for moving kings to unlock deeper piles. Thinking a few moves ahead will significantly increase your success rate and help you clear the board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.